Nestled in a quiet private setting atop the foothills of San Ramon, you will discover Norris Canyon Estates, one of the East Bay's most prestigious and exclusive communities, known for its privacy, sophistication, and picturesque setting. This is a tranquil place where you wake to the birds singing and view Mother Nature's masterpiece of rolling hills filled with oaks and wildlife. A place where you escape the hustle and bustle, yet know that you're just minutes from everything. Welcome to 207 Lyndhurst Place, a remarkable estate that possesses the security and privacy that Norris Canyon Estates is known for, while providing accessibility to everything San Ramon and the greater East Bay has to offer. Situated on a 23,000 square foot lot, adjacent to San Catanio Creek and surrounded by lush velvet green rolling hills, this home features 5 bedrooms, an office and a loft, 4.5 bathrooms, and 5,000 square feet of living space, giving you a feeling of harmony and peaceful remoteness. Yet top-rated schools, shopping, restaurants, and Bishop Ranch City Center are within a stone's throw. This Newcastle Heritage floor plan is a custom version of the typical Newcastle and the only one in the entire Norris Canyon Estates community. The 3-car garage faces north, adding to the extended curb and a very private front courtyard. Imagine stepping through the east-facing front door into the grand foyer to be greeted by the warmth of natural light that flows throughout the entire home. Upon entry, you'll notice a large office featuring glass doors for added privacy for those who work from home while keeping a watchful eye on the happenings in the house. Follow the tile flooring through to the expansive kitchen featuring a double oven, 6-burner gas stove, and top-of-the-line appliances that opens to a vast family room overlooking a half-acre of serenity with a built-in entertainment unit and bar, ideal for family gatherings and get-togethers. On the main floor, you'll also find a sizable bedroom with a walk-in closet and a full bath, perfect as a guest suite or for parents. From the main level, follow either of the 2 staircases to the upper living quarters and an entertainment room. The Grandmaster Suite features a comfortable sitting area, high ceilings, a walk-in closet, and a palatial ensuite. Complete with a jacuzzi tub, roomy 2-head shower, and 2 separate his and her toilets with electrical connections for bidet. Across the landing, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 connected with a Jack and Jill bathroom, and a 3rd bedroom with its own private bathroom. Here is where you'll find a loft that can evolve with your family's needs. Envision this area as a playroom for your children, a study for those learning from home, the location of your new home gym, or keep it as a media room where your family can congregate and play games or watch movies together. With enough space for ample seating, this area has endless possibilities for use. Picture the entertainment options you have, with a carefully landscaped hardscape around all sides of the home. beginning with a huge outdoor front patio courtyard, hidden from the street with a dense screen of shrubbery. There is plenty of room to set up a welcome desk as your guests make their way to the back for large gatherings or visit privately with friends and family in a socially distanced manner while enjoying the views of Mount Diablo and the picturesque surrounding hills. Around the side yard are multiple landscaped conversation areas with built-in seating, including one with a gas fire pit. A vast backyard features multiple tiered levels, an ideal location for your future personal vineyard, spaces for cooking at the outdoor barbecue, tables, and even a huge putting green on a level parcel that could instead accommodate an in-ground pool or additional dwelling unit. You choose. A generous driveway accommodates up to 8 vehicles with plenty of street parking nearby to accommodate all visitors to your larger private parties. Think of the weekend hikes and bike rides you can experience on the countless trails located within the Norris Canyon Estates development and bordering East Bay Regional Park nearby. Or participate in one of the many special interest hobby and exercise groups within the gated neighborhood that includes hiking, poker, karaoke, and more, all open to newcomers. Excellent San Ramon schools, nearby luxury retail and restaurants, and a full slate of outdoor wonders await your family in this rare opportunity home. Make 207 Lyndhurst Place your future home.